Hi, happy Sunday. What's up, guy? Today is 14 June. Come to late evening. Here I'm going to share for my weekly trading review. So for this week is like different with last week. Last week shooting all the way high, but for this week it's retraced back as what I expect. So just ride to the train to catch up some. So this is a new season for my trading journey. Alright, let's start. Okay, so for the first one is a CAD CHF. This week the interest earning become lesser, become 0.1805%. Okay, so basically you can see there's a different color. Those the green color one is a new counter that I was add on. Those the orange color one is a previously already have been tracked. Now still I have been entered for the trading again. Okay, alright, so let's have a look for the weekly CAD CHF chart. Okay, so this candlestick have been retraced back to the resistance level, and after that bounce back again. Then after that he'll be closing at the short term group, the interference line here. Okay, then this candlestick will be into the previous tall body of the green candlestick. Alright, then for this monthly correlations, okay, this week, for this week, GBP USD uptrend, USD CAD is a downtrend. So monthly correlation, so positive with Euro GBP USD JPY, so positive, and this one negative with the USD CAD, so negative, positive here. Alright, then move to the weekly MACD. So weekly MACD, what you can observe here now is come to the this second come to the third bar stage now, 1 2 3 here, and see this bar is with a flattening. So let's see what it will become in terms of the daily chart. The daily chart here. Okay, so what is happening here is the long term group that have been retraced down here and also narrow down, and the candlestick here retraced all the way down from the highest to the below here. Then after that will be bounce back, then close on top of this short term group here. So just nice. Alright, so move to the second one is a CAD JPY. So CAD JPY intra charges it increased quite a lot to become 0.4284 now. Okay, so for weekly chart here, what we can see here is this candlestick is retraced down all the way into the short term group here, yeah, and bounce back to the support level just right above this short term group here. Okay, then this big red candlestick is within the previous long body of green candlestick here. In terms of the monthly correlations. So okay, it's still the same, so it's the same with the previous one. So all is a positive, positive, positive here. And for the weekly, so what you can see here, the MACD is turning down here, okay, and the candlestick is the closing above the short-term group after bounce back here, this point. Okay, so this one is closed over here. So okay, then the GMMA still the same. Last week it seems like I have a reversal here from the downtrend here. Okay, so what it determined that is on this closing level is close above this long-term group here. Let's move to the next one, GPP JPY. Okay, alright, for the GPP JPY, the interest charges also increased to 0.5488% this week. So what we can see from the chart here now, okay, GBP JPY, okay, you can see this leg candlestick within the previous green body, long body here. So it's similar with previous counter. You also can see this leg candlestick retrace down into the short term group, and also that bounce back again to the support level above this short term group here. So for monthly correlation, so it's same, it still is positive, positive, positive here. Okay, then for this weekly MACD here, you can see this is a second bar chart positive here, and with the flattening here. So the next, okay, let's have a look on what happened on the daily. So for the daily chart here, so MACD now the minimum positive here, then this MACD line is closed down at the positive region, this level. Okay, then you can see this mostly the daily candlestick retrace down all the week here, then to the short term group here, then after that bounce back to above the short term group level here. So in terms of GMMA here, you can see still the same, it's a spark of the reversal sign from the downtrend. There we go. SGD JPY, for this week the interest charges have been increased a bit to 0.7951%. Okay, so in terms of a weekly chart here, what we can observe, this black candlestick within the previous green body candlestick here. So also here, this leg candlestick retrace down below the short term group and bounce back and close at this short term, above short term group here, reach the interfere point here. Okay, then for the monthly correlations, so monthly correlation is same with the previous. So alright, then okay, move on for this weekly MACD. So what we can see here, okay, this is the MACD now, it continue to the second bar positive here, and the line here also crossover already done and carry forward here. Alright, let's move to the daily. The daily wise, So this one, you can see this short-term group here, right? Is getting narrow and become somewhere aligned here. Then this MACD bar at minimum positive region here, and the line cross over at the positive region. And also this one is closing above the short-term line here, so this is a support level. Okay, alright, so GMMA here, you can see this still is a downturn. Okay, let's move on to more colorful part here. Green. Okay, for this one is a new counter that I have been entered here. USD JPY. Okay, alright, so for this part is a previous week that I'm working on that. So this week the interest still remain. Charges is a 0.2537. Alright, let's look into USD JPY weekly chart. Okay, here there's a doubt, that uncertainty. This one, the bearish crossover here, a little bit below than the previous green candlestick body. However, it was still on this support level here. Yeah. Then you can see also this one, the short-term group. It seems heading to the long-term group here, and a minor reward back. Yeah. Okay. Then for the monthly corrections, so it's still correct in order, so it's positive buy. Okay, then move to the weekly MACD. So weekly MACD, you can see this is a second bar, positive bar MACD with the line crossover. It seems like it's a bit trend reversion here. Okay, and for the daily chart here, you can see this one, the bar at negative high region here, and this long term group is getting narrow here and cross over to below here. So for the long term trend GMMA, so the bullish reversal symptom since is like still the symptom still the carry it forward. The second one for the new counter is a GBP USD. Alright, okay, this one GBP USD. Okay, hold on, yeah. GBP USD. Okay. Okay, this week is 0.7951. 0.7951. 951%. Okay, so it's slightly charged more than the previous week. Okay, so for the weekly chart, let's have a look. So weekly chart, yeah, okay, the red candlestick within the previous long body candlestick, and also the red candlestick and receipt on this top of the short-term group here. Okay, then this one, the short-term group, you can see it's like getting narrow and also move upward to the long-term group here. Okay, for this monthly correlations, so monthly correlations GBP USD, yeah, is correlation in order. Alright, so let's move on. Okay, so let's look on the daily. Okay, daily chart for, sorry, this is a weekly chart first. So weekly chart, you can see this one is still remain the first positive bar, and MACD line crossover. Okay, crossover already happened. Okay, for the daily chart, you can see this one candlestick is bounce back from this short term. It will retrace down here, and after that bounce back from the short term group, and narrow line after retrace down. Okay, then this one, the bar at the mid high region currently here, and the line here is going to cross over. So in terms of the long-term GMMA trend, is still in downtrend here. Okay, that's all guys. Come to the end. So this is the weekly performance. So for this week, actually not much different with last week, because this week is entering time for the new position. Yeah, only have 10.42. Yeah, this error that happened. After that, close the position again, so become minor profit 0.42 cent. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoy my sharing. So give me a thumbs up if you like my sharing, and also I hope you have a great Sunday. Alright, subscribe my channel, yeah, to receive more notification, yeah, for the update. So I hope to see you again. Alright, have a blessed Sunday. Bye.